Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Dave and Buster's app to play. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and on the bottom bar tap in the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and on the search bar simply tap on it and then enter Dave, and then tap on search and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down, tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, once it loads, all you gotta do is scroll down and find Dave and Buster's app and then select it. And once you select it, here you'll be having two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.